we're just writing down some of the 4 facts right now. So if you're at home, write those down. And then 4 times 4 is what? 16. 4 times 5 is what? 20. 4 times 6 is, again, and I take half, which is 2. 2 times 6 is 12, and then double it. What's 12 plus 12? 24. And then 4 times 7?
28.
Yeah, because I take 2 times 7 is 14, and I double it, which is 28. And then 4 times 8? 32. And then 4 times 9? Very good. Okay, I'm going to slow down. And while I'm waiting for you to catch up, there are 2 numbers that are single digit. Then there are 2 that start with a 10. And then we have 3 that start with 20. And the 3 that start with 20 are in the 5s, 6, and 7s. And then we only have 2 again with a 3 in the front. And this should be easy. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times a double digit, 44. 4 times 12, 48. Alrighty. And then, well, if you missed any of the facts, again, you can look on your multiplication table and just copy it. Esteban, focus. Yes, ma'am.
There's a way that I do it for like 4 times 11 and 4 times 12. So you look at it with the 4 on the top and then the 12 and 11 on the bottom. Then you go 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 4.
Yeah, you can even do it sideways. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 4 times 1 is 4. And this one's easy. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times that one is 4. And so that's an easy way. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at these. And again, you can use this for the rest of this assignment. So this one is, I don't know why they're doing this. I don't know why they're doing 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is what? 4. And then what is 4 plus another 4? 4 plus another 4? 8. Then we have 2 groups of 4. What is that going to be? 8. Right. Then. All right, I think I know why they're doing that 5 times 2. But I really don't like the way they're doing it. So I'm going to go this way. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 groups of 4. What is 5 times 4? It is 20. And it's the same thing as saying, in fact, I think they did it like this. Is 10 plus another 10 is 20. What's 5 times 2? I don't understand how they're doing this. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. I think what they want you to do is if I've got 4 times 5, they're saying you can take half of that 4, which is 2. 2 times 5 is 10, but then you double it, which is 20. Okay, but then you double it. So they should put that whole process there. So it confused me that they weren't. So, no, you do not have to put that. These are all groups of 4. Okay, stop the tapping, please. How many groups of 4 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 groups of 4. 10 times 4 is what? 40. And so again, 10 times 4 is 40. Then, let's go over here. Go to the next page. Okay, quiet down, please. Matthew, is there somebody missing in the back? No? No, Matthew's lost. Okay, so here we go. Write 2's facts you can use. All right, 3 times 4. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Okay. This one I hope we're getting. If we have 4 5s, 20. Now, if you can't get this one right away, I do know that this is going to be one that starts in the 30s. 30, 30, 32. Now, but I can also go, if I get stuck, I can go take half of that. 2 times 8 is 16, and then it would be 16 plus another 16, which would be 32. No, you don't have to write that. And in fact, that's what they're trying to get you to see. It says to multiply by 4, think of the 2's fact, and then double it. I still hear people talking. I know exactly who it is. But you focus here, and keep up with us, and so you don't have to turn around to ask anybody. What's that? Okay, then you should be faced this way. All right, so on this one, it says write a multiplication fact. Here's our group of 4. How many groups are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 4. 6 groups times 4. You do need to write that. Which is what?
24.
24. Good job. Okay. Then I've got 1, 2, and Emmanuel, make sure you're doing this, that you're not trying to catch up with anything else. I've got how many groups of 4? 3 groups of 4. 3 times 4 is? Good job. Then, this time I've got a group of 4, and we've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how can I write a multiplication?
5 times 4.
Which is?
20.
Good job. And this one I like saying 4 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. It is 20. Okay, here we go. Let's just find the products. 2 times 4?
8.
8. 3 times 4?
12.
And try to memorize it as you're writing it. Don't just be looking there and say, oh, they wrote the 12. I better write 12.
Oh.
Okay. Then
20.
4 times 5? 20. Then I'm going to go 4 times 6. Yeah, that's the second one. These two are in the 20s. And 4 times 7.
28.
This is not in the 30s. 28. This should be easy. 10 times 4? 4 times 4 is a double. 4 times 4?
8.
16. You need to know your doubles. 4 times 4 is 16. Then, or again, let me show you again what they're trying to say. They're saying if you don't know it, you can say 2 times 4 is 8, but then you double it. 8 times 2 is 16. This one's in the 30s. 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, I'll let you go in a little bit, okay? Because we just have to survive. You'll survive. We will go on. And if it gets worse, then I'm going to send you down. Okay, 0 times anything? 0. 1 times 4? 2 times 4? 8. 3 times 4? Oh, I didn't know they were going to do this because we could have used this for our multiplication table. 4 times 4? Good job. I'll wait until you catch up. 4 times 5? 4 times 6? Okay, slow down. Now I'm having to say slow down. 4 times 8? 4 times 9? This one's in the 30s. It's in the 30s. These two are in the 30s. It's 36. You don't need to be screaming, and you don't need to scream it 3 times. All right, 4 times 10? 40. All right, we're going to do these very quickly. Listen, and then I'm going to give you your short assignment. So, how many more water bottles did Mr. T bring? Water bottles come in 4 packs. Mr. Wu brings 5 packs. So Mr. Wu bought 5, but how many is in every pack?
4.
So we have to multiply that by what?
4.
He bought 5 packs times 4 in every pack. 4 water bottles.
7.
How many did he buy altogether? 5 times 4 is what? 20. So Mr. Wu bought 20. Mr. Teese bought 7 packs. How many water bottles are in every pack? 4. So he bought 7 packs times 4, which is 28. So the question is, Mr. Teese bought 28. Mr. Wu bought 20. Okay. The question is, listen, how many more water bottles did Mr. T have? How many more? 8. Very good. You have to finally subtract. So it's 8. I'm just going to put 8 more because we don't have time. Then, how do you know that? If you knew 3 times 4, how can that help you find 4 times 3? Aren't the answers the what?
Same.
They're the same. They're the same, which is equal to 12. Okay. Now, you will quietly, here is your assignment. You're going to do the 4 facts on both sides, on this side and on the back. Oh, this one is mixed up with 3s and 4s. Okay, so if you need your multiplication table, no, you can do this on your own because I want you to use your multiplication table. If you don't know it, you can use the front page. Okay, well then I've got a couple of them. So you can do this 4 table right now with the one right here. We've got it right here. Okay, here you go. We don't have a lot of time, but and again, part of it is coming in noisy, coming in not ready. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have
Okay. If you know your facts by heart, you don't need it.
What is 3 times 3 times 12?
Yes. What's that? Let me see. You're writing too much. They're the same. You're done. That's it. They're the same. They're the same. Yes, go ahead.